What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my username is Glamorous Mimi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and hello. It's great to see you. Thank you for tuning in to my video, and if you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do that right now, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos I upload. So, and follow my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure y'all do that, and the names is up here and down below on this screen. So you make sure you tune there. If you don't forget, to follow my social media, all my info in there is in the description box. So make sure you hit that link and follow, because you never know when I post a video. But this video is gonna be the date night makeup video, and if you feeling on a night that you feeling bored and you just want to go on a date with your man, just go in the room and hook yourself up, do this makeup, or do your makeup and say, boo, babe, I'm ready for my date. It's bored, I'm tired of sitting in the house, I'm ready to go on the date. So let's get into the video. Hey everyone, this is a video on date night makeup, and you want to go on a date with your babe or do something nice. Well, this the video to be clicked on. But anyway, I want to do this date night makeup because when you want to go on a date with your man and y'all bored sitting in the house, dress yourself up and tell them I'm ready to go on a date. Tell them I'm ready to go on a date. Take me on a date. Babe, take me on a date. I'm ready and I want to go on a date. Yeah, so let's get started. So my brows is done as always in each video, and my face and prime. Excuse the little pimple at the bottom. So the first thing I'm gonna start out is, where the hell is my foundation? I found my foundation. The first foundation I'm using is LA Girl, and you don't have to do foundation. You can just do it with concealer and keep it moving, but I'm just gonna do foundation because it's a date night makeup. Yeah, the date night makeup video. So it's foundation. For concealer, I'm using my Stay Matte by Rimmel London. Now I'm going to take my Black Radiance loose powder and set my concealer. And I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette, that True Complexion, and go in with the bronzing color. I'm not contouring, so I'm not going to bronze. And I'm going to dust this powder away. I'm gonna take my American Offer Americano bronzer and put on my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with my F eyeliner and outline my eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my ColourPop highlighter and whips and highlight my brow bones. And I'm going to go out camera and apply my eyelashes. These from AliExpress, my 25mm. Now I'm gonna take my Mink and Mia in copper to put on my eyelid to bring my eyes out. Now I'm gonna blush my cheeks in from Light Gold and Safari Botanicals. I don't know. I'm just gonna blush my cheeks. Now I'm gonna go back in ColourPop Whisk and highlight my cheekbone. For the lips, I'm thinking red, and I got my BYS Velvet lipstick in Berry Sweet, and I got my LA Colors Chunky lip pencil to line my lips. So yeah. So this is the final result of my date night makeup. I hope y'all love it. So when you sit at home and you beside your bed and then you decide to go in your bedroom to get ready and make over, and you coming out that room, honey, man, boo, not boo, babe, I'm ready for my date. I'm ready for my date. I want to go on a date, and you need to take me on a date, honey. And he snatch you up and take you on a date. Oh, take advantage of it. No, don't take advantage of it. That's just my opinion, but do not do that. So, you date night ready. Yeah. So this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoy this video. And let's get me to 245 subscribers and follow all my social media, and I'll see y'all in the next upload.